Hi everyone, Jesus Nahara here with LA County Library. Today we'll be creating a reading companion who might be a mystery, comic, romance, or even nonfiction. A book hedgehog. Grab any paperback book you would like to recycle or repurpose into a book hedgehog. For a very rounded out hedgehog, I recommend using a longer book, 250 to 300 pages. And for a more flat bottom hedgehog, use a shorter book, 150 to 200 pages. Additional materials you may use are googly eyes, construction paper, pom-poms, and glue. But don't limit yourself to just these items. You can use any household materials to decorate your hedgehog. Now, let me show you how to create a book hedgehog. Lay the book on its back cover and fold the front cover out of the way. Take the first page and fold the right-hand corner toward the spine to create a right triangle. Be careful to line up the edge of the page with the spine edge in a straight line. Fold the rest of the first page down horizontally in half, matching the top edge of the page to the spine. Fold the left-hand corner down toward the spine to create a small right triangle. This page is now done. Fold that first page down and out of the way so you can proceed to fold the next page. Repeat the same process on the next page, but flipped. Start with the left-hand corner and fold toward the spine. Fold the page down horizontally in half, matching the top edge of the page of the spine. Fold the right-hand corner down toward the spine to create a small right triangle. Keep alternating how you fold each page, some folding on the left and some on the right until all pages have been folded. Trim the end of each cover so that it is completely hidden by the folds of the hedgehog. Use whatever you have around the house to decorate your book hedgehog. If you need some ideas, try thinking of your favorite book character and the adjectives the author uses to describe this character, then recreate their outfit. Take a photo of your book hedgehog and share with us at LA County Library. We hope you enjoyed creating your reading companion. Visit lacountylibrary.org for more information about library services and events. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.